What's up, everybody? It's Brandon from Tattooing 101, and this is my shop. What up, man? What up? So in this corner of the shop, we pretty much have everything set up with all our merch, with our Arrowhead stuff. We got some coffee mugs in case you're getting a little thirsty. You can go over there to the coffee machine, get yourself something to sip on. Over here, we have some snacks. You know, sometimes you get hungry if you're getting a tattoo, or even as an artist, you need to get a little snack in to be able to go through with that session. So we have our snacks lined up over here. And let me tell you something about this ceiling. It was all white, and we decided to go black with it. Probably the worst decision I have ever made in my whole entire life, because it was an absolute nightmare. So if you are wanting to paint your ceiling, just pay someone. It's not worth it. Now this right here is where all the business happens. This is where we draw up for our clients, talk to our clients, and get a feel for what they are wanting to get done, so we're able to give them the best possible experience. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I was just taking a little relaxation nap on this table that sees clients every single day. And this guy right here has been in every single shop that I've opened. And I was going on a hunting trip in Alaska, and I was able to tag me this beautiful kangaroo. So, this is Britt's little slice of heaven right here. This is our shop apprentice. He's been doing it for what, 6 months now? Maybe longer. But you see this door here, we have it locked up because sometimes being an apprentice can be hard. So we don't want him just running away and leaving the shop. So we make sure it's all locked, and you can see the bars over the windows. We don't want him sneaking away. So we want to make sure that he's having the best experience to be able to learn to tattoo and be able to make this his dream career. So now that we've walked a mile to the other side of the shop, I wanted to show you Waylon's station. This is where she's able to tattoo all of her clients in her nice, neat, comfortable station. So now let's show you my station. And this is where I make all of the dreams happen. This is my station. So this is where I'm able to tattoo all of my clients and where I spend most of my time. I have all of my machines that I use in my daily tattooing right here. Also, if I'm feeling a little bit frisky, I could go over here to my toolbox and bring out some Trad Daddy tattoo machines to be able to do some more traditional work. So now comes for my favorite part in the whole review, and that is the fridge. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Let's see what's in here. This is the life of a tattoo artist right here. Oh, that's where you are. That's the fridge, and that is the shop. Now that we've gone over everything, I'm gonna take a little nap. Now get out. And now the room that you've all been waiting to see, the bathroom. Okay,